How to fix speakers turn on automatically when answering call on Samsung. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys and tell you why the speaker turns on automatically while answering calls on your Samsung device. Now let's just jump right in. First off, you need to go ahead and open up your settings. And from here, you want to go ahead and search for call settings. So I'll just go over to the search bar here and then search for call. And you need to go ahead and search for call settings. Once you open it up, you need to go ahead, tap on answering and ending calls. Then you have this thing called answer using speakers. So if this toggle is turned on, what it does is you can use your speaker by default when there's no headset or Bluetooth connected. That means the normal earpiece speaker will not work and your main speaker will act as your speaker while answering calls if there are no Bluetooth headset connected. Just tap on this toggle to turn it off, and now you can easily answer calls normally again. That is the reason why your speaker has been turning on automatically while answering calls on Samsung. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.